Greetings and welcome back. In the last section, we learned Windows configuration management with Puppet. So we will start this section by first setting up a GitHub account. Then we will learn how to add files to a Git repository. Next, we will learn how to make changes and commit changes to a GitHub repository. Finally, we will learn how to recover our code from committed mistakes. So in this video, we will learn how to set up a GitHub account. So first you have to sign up for a GitHub account at https://github.com. It is fairly easy to create a GitHub account. All you have to do is pick up a username, type in your email address, and create a password. So first what we need to do is we need to sign in into our GitHub account. Next I will enter my email address abdulbasit.ta@gmail.com and my password. Press sign in. So next what we need to do is we need to go into our Puppet master and we first need to install Git, and we would do that via the command yum install git. Next what we need to do is on our Puppet master we are going to generate an SSH key using the command SSH-keygen -t, which stands for type, and we want to generate an RSA key -b 4096 -C, and I'm going to type in my email address abdulbasit.ta@gmail.com. Press enter. We are going to choose the default directory for our SSH key. Press enter. We are going to skip the passphrase. Okay, so now what we need to do is copy our public key, and our public key is in the directory /root.ssh. Over here our public key is this key, so we will cat out this file. Next what we would do is that we would copy this key, press copy, and next what we are going to do is to copy the public key and paste it into our GitHub account. So let's see how we will do that. In our GitHub account, we will click on this icon and go to the settings option. Over here, we are going into the SSH and GPG keys portion. We would add a new SSH key. We would type in the title Puppet server and we would paste the key. Then we would click on the icon add SSH key. Okay, so now the key is successfully added. Next what we would do is we would create a repository, and we would do that is we would go into the your repositories section and create a new repository, and we would name the repository puppet-ntp, and the description is optional. We would just go ahead and create the repository, and now our repository is created. So that is it for this video.